Holy healthcare hamster wheel, my wenches and henchmen. I thought I was gonna be late, but I got like 3 minutes left. Take you in the front door this time so you can see them hops I was talking about. Look at this. This is a new trick I just started doing just recently. Yeah, I'm going upstairs. I can even go down them too if I'm careful. Keep my head out of my butt. Anyway, I'm not going to point this right at the door because people get all flippy. But yeah, I just want to take a second and show you these vines. Or is that some flavor of lilac? That looks awful lilac-y to me. I don't know, there's an orange trumpet looking thing over here. Some kind of cool trumpet blossom. And some lilac-y looking shit. I don't know, it's cool anyway, whatever it is.